Hi everyone, I'm going to do a review on the Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell dollhouse. I got this off Amazon for around $23. I really like it because it's a motor skills toy and because it's gender neutral. I got this for my son and I like that he can role play with little dolls and it doesn't have to be girly. And so what you do is you have different keys here and you got to pick the right key to open up the door. And then this is what it looks like inside. Just a little room in there. And then you could probably stick a little doll in there. And there's a doorbell on each side. And then the keys come strapped to the top there, and there's 4 different keys for each door. Here's a close-up of the dolls. They're really cute. Okay, so that's what I think of the Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell house. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.